Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen falafel in the air fryer. So I'm going to package this frozen falafel from Trader Joe's. You can use any brand you like, and it's frozen solid. No need to defrost. And I'm also going to use a non-stick cooking spray just so it doesn't stick to the air fryer. So let's take out the air fryer basket and we'll spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. And I'll open a package of frozen falafel. And I will put it in the air fryer in a single layer. And now I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. Now I'm going to set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. And now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious falafel, so nicely browned, looks so crispy and delicious. Let's remove it from the air fryer. Do you hear the crunch? So crispy. Looks amazing. Now let's try it. Let me cut one just so you see that it's cooked. So see, perfectly hot and cooked inside and so crispy on the outside. They're super crispy and you didn't need to fry them. Air fryer is so much healthier and achieves crispy outside crust. Now let's try it. So delicious. Tastes perfect. Crispy on the outside and perfectly cooked on the inside. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen falafel. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!